Hey everyone, welcome to the AMX Superstore's Product Insight. I'm Riana, and today we have a very special guest. We've got the factory off-road Yamaha team manager, AJ Roberts. AJ, we are talking about Samco Sport today, but we've got a very special bike. Tell me about this.
Yes, we have Will Ruprecht's bike. It's the WR450. He's currently leading after our round one in Roma, the Australian Enduro Championship. We had a great weekend. We're off to a good start to the year.
Now we're talking about Samco. You guys use Samco on your race bike, but firstly, tell us a little bit about the brand itself.
Samco is a product that's handmade. It's out of the UK. It's a silicone compound that's layered. Best part about it is they do two things. One, they make our bike look really well finished off, and the other one is the reliability, the performance with temperature. They don't expand under temperature, and the quality of the clamps are exceptional.
Is that why you guys as a team have chosen to upgrade to the Samco on your bike?
For sure. We do events that could either go an hour or 8 hours, and then we have events where we're allowed mechanical assistance for the riders, and then we have events where the riders are on their own. The more we can build that bike with less maintenance, the better. Yeah, and for us, we can then also add performance without jeopardising our cooling system.
When you're saying the riders can manage it themselves, I suppose if we put this into our customers at home, why would it be recommended that they upgrade to Samco?
For my point of view, the clamps are probably the biggest part of it. They're a wider clamp than most OEM clamps. They're a worm drive system, but they're not slotted into the clamp itself, so don't serrate the hose if you over tighten it. So for our riders, if they've got to do the work, say they smash the radiator, they'll have to replace it themselves. We can talk them through it. We like the fact that they can get on their screwdriver in a hurry, clamp it up and not create more damage once they've repaired the bike itself. The clamps themselves give you lifetime warranty with the hoses, so there's all those added levels. These guys specialise in this product and they make sure they present a good product.
And what comes with a kit?
The kit itself is specific to your model, so you have to be very clear on that when you're purchasing. You'll get all the hoses to do with your cooling system. There's some very unique ones for the shape of the model itself. And then if you want to add the lifetime warranty and go that next level again, you purchase the clamps.
In terms of the look, it's perfect that it all matches this colour. Tell me what's available.
Every Samco model that they make their hoses for will come with optional colours for each manufacturer. There's green, there's orange, and there's red for obvious other brands. But for us, it's pretty hard to find anything aftermarket blue that is so close to Yamaha blue.
Obviously a no-brainer for you guys in the race team, but why would you recommend them for the everyday person?
Look, at the end of the day, the quality's there, but they don't expand under temperature, so they handle all the extremes of Australian conditions really well, whether it's muddy, desert racing, extreme heat. The clamps themselves add the warranty. The clamps themselves are great quality. They look good and it just finishes off your bike, and I'm sure every customer is looking to make their bike their own, and it's a big part of it.
Perfect. Thank you so much, AJ. If you'd like any more information on Samco Sport, head to your nearest AMX Superstore. Of course, the information is there for you on the website.